What's going on? How are y'all doing? Greatest of all Texas, Vinny here, doing another video of unboxing and demonstrating how these new floor mats and upgraded for the 2024 RAV4 are going to look inside. These are Michelin, and they have very strong rubber tire tread on there to help you not slip while you're jumping in. And I want to see how well they'll work inside this RAV4, where I have previously done a video on another brand of floor mats that have held up to the test. We've been putting this through the ringer, but now I want to see how these will hold with Michelin rubber. Pretty excited about the tread pattern on this. I am a owner of Michelin tires on my other vehicles, so the rubber is really good. Let's open box them and see what it looks like. So in the box right here, I'll go ahead and get this open and see what's inside. The package, you can order these on Amazon. I have a discount code that I'll share in the description, and that way if you're interested in getting these, you'll be able to order some and save some money. But so far, pretty nice packaging. Has a Michelin bag on the inside, which that's really nice. That could be used for other details. As you can see here, it comes with a card showing that it is Michelin Premier Series floor mats, and this is the manual that gives you a quick warning on installation, instructions, and just overall what side you're going to put them on and how they're going to work in there. So let's check that out. Really nice. So in the inside of this bag, you can see this is where it's going to have all the floor mats. This is your back row. It's a little bit longer. We'll put this box here on the floor so we can get these all stretched out. Take them out of the bag. Another thing I like to note, does not smell like strong chemicals like in some rubber that you'll find out there that has really bad odors. These do not. It's pretty nice back set right here. This looks like the front driver floor mat. And then I'll get the other ones out, put the trash over here. This is a passenger side. And then we also have the back floor mat right here. So let's get this bag. Like I said, pretty nice, huge bag. If you don't need them or you're gonna sell them or just store them, you can put them back in here. Really nice with the Michelin logo on there. We'll get a closer look up on these. And as I was saying, these are the instructions that come with it. They state on here, you get your driver, your passenger, and then your rear passenger, along with the cargo mat. So if you look at the material, it says right here, it's extreme durability, built from TPE. These mats endure wear, impact, compression, offering reliable all-weather protection for rain, snow, mud, and everyday use. Precision vacuum forming, so they're going to be cut precisely to your vehicle. And then a blue laser scan measurement using advanced blue laser, 10 times more accurate than red lasers. They map the vehicle's floor to millimeter for a perfect contour fitting with a 360 degrees raised wall. It's going to help wrap around the front, sides, and under the seat, creating a containment for mud, water, and debris of the carpet, which is really good so you won't get your cloth inside the cars dirty. Driver non-slip, which that locks in so that you won't be sliding and ensure you drive safely. The OEM clip compatible on that as well with the Anchor combined retention spikes. Liquid diversion channel so that it can channel away liquid from the pedals. So that's a pretty cool feature that I'll highlight. And then it has a 1-year warranty on this product. So you got to read these sure and mature with after 20 days of delivery that there's no warping occurs, and then reach out to them if there's any issues right there with Michelin Liner at treadauto.com. Maintenance and care, really easy cleaning with a water hose recommended. Shake it off. There's also chemicals that I've used on other videos on my channel that show what other like chemicals you can use to clean these type of mats. For deep cleaning and stains, you apply a mild cleaner, which I have a video on that I can link, and then let it sit in and wipe it down. So really cool. These really quick right here on the installation. It's just as easy as putting your driver, passenger, rear row. You restore the mat shape, so you can let it sit out for 30-60 minutes to help it return to shape. And then you remove your existing mats. Do not put these floor mats on top of your cloth ones. That is going to be very dangerous when you're driving. You don't want to have this not lock in properly and have issues with the pedal. So make sure you remove the factory floor mats. Adjust your seats, which I'll show you how to do that so you can get better space to install your new ones. And then position and secure the mats lastly, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and look at these mats a little bit more thoroughly. So this is a rear cargo mat. You can see it has a tread pattern on here, and then the Michelin logo right there, which this is going to go on the back so we can ensure that it's nice and fitting. Let's put this down on the floor real quick. And then over here, I'll show you. This is why they want you to set it out for at least 30 minutes to 60 minutes, because that can allow this to sit properly. But this is the front of the tread pattern that has channels that allows water to dissipate and move out where your foot goes, and it has nice grip that can help you from slipping. You know, sometimes, and in the floor mat in my FJ over there, I had older ones that are slippery when you get in and do not have these really nice groove and channels here. And this is where the locking OEM part, where you can put it on your driver's side. And let's move this out of the way. Let those sit out. And then if you look right here, this is the passenger. It has a really deep pocket right here that can help if you spill drinks, have mud, snow, it's going to keep that in there like a basket. And then it goes over here. It's custom design. You can see that bump right there. It goes over that center part, and it goes back over here to the other passenger with a really nice tread. So let's go ahead and get that into the vehicle and see how it looks. I've been letting these sit out, and you can see the shape is already forming, but I want to get them inside and to see how they'll lock in. So you can see here, when I was telling you earlier about opening your seat all the way, you just pull it back, come to the front here, which these are the previous formats I had in here for 6 months. I have a video with my initial thoughts and review, and you can see keeping all the dirt in there. And now we're going to test out these Michelin mats and see how well they perform. So let's get that installed real quick. But as you can see right here, you just want to slip them over around the gas pedal, and then there seems to be really good protection in here. Looks really nice. And then once you come over here, I'll show you where you need to. So let's get a closer look up on this. So right here, you'll see that this has a locking. This is an OEM clip. So you want to make sure it fits and it goes right in like that. You heard the snap, and then you can turn it so that it locks in there. But let's get this other side unlocked. So once they're unlocked, you're supposed to lock them in. So that one's locked in right there. See how I turn that? It's locked in there. Let's get this other side locked in. So make sure they're pushed in on the proper spot. And then once you turn them, it's locked in like that. So that's pretty much how it's locked in on the front. And you can see it holds very nice. It's laser fitted. So look at all this protection up here, even for your feet up here, right there. The brake pedal will have no issue going down. And then your gas pedal, there's no interference. And then with these channel grooves right here, it's really nice to have dirt and water move through here And then this comes up along here, the lip, like a bucket to keep it from coming and spilling out. So let's go ahead and step in here and see how that feels. Oh yeah, it has really good grip. So no issues. You're able to touch the gas, hit the brake, put your foot right there, and just overall enjoy getting out with no slips. So we're gonna come over here and remove the old floor mat. Just take it out like that. And then bring the new one in. You make sure your seat's far back, and then it just slides in right there. No issue, it's locked in. You move your seat back. Check that out. So you can just see how this is laser fitted all around. So there's going to be no bumps or problems with this fitting in here. Very nice. And it goes up pretty far right there, so you can try and trap that dirt that flies up to the top, and then it can run back down through these channel grooves where Michelin has designed it to even go right around this corner and comes to the back here where you do get a lot of debris that hits in the back right there, so that way you can catch all of it. We'll see how much it holds up over time, but really nice grip and the tread patterns. So if you look over here, just like I had pulled the seats forward or back to get the front ones in, we're going to want to push them forward to make it easier to remove the older floor mat. So let's move those up real quick. Let me move the other side. So now we got the front seats forward. You just kind of pull up on your old mat. And if you have a factory mat, you're not going to have one that's connected like this, which is why you want to get aftermarket floor mats. The trick is just to fold it together and make sure you don't spill anything that may have captured, and then you pull it out. The new one, it goes in just as easy. It's all one piece. So as soon as you put in one side, you just work your way in on both, and then it slides right in. Let's get that in. And then make sure it's pushed down all the way. And there you go. And I'll show you how it looks. So I installed them fairly easy and quick, just moving the seats forward, dropping them in. And you can see how much area and coverage there is, and how that laser fitting with the blue laser does super nice precision on where it's gonna go. So if you want to get a closer look, let's zoom in and get a little bit closer. So you can see right here, this actually wraps around there, comes here, does not block these ventilation vents down here, comes back around, and then it wraps up here and snugs really tight, even on this back line. Look at the fitment on that. And then if we come over here, you can see the same thing. It goes back here, and this is where you just want to make sure that's pushed in down all the way. And look at how that comes all here. So pretty excited to see how much dirt this will trap in, and it basically stops where that rubber line is, so you shouldn't have any issue with cleaning anything off there or just trickling down and falling in here. And you can see those grooves are very grippy, like a Michelin tire, obviously, and it has channels so that water and dirt and stuff can, you know, siphon through, and you still have grip when you're stepping out in case you're in snow, mud, or rain. So let's get the last bat mat in. So this last part isn't that hard as all, like the whole process is just a bigger mat that you pull out here. Once you get that out, I'll bring in the other mat. So you just come here, lay this down, and it drops right down in there. And like the fitment on the front mats, it fits in here perfectly. There's no issue with it overlapping, getting in the way of anything back here. So let me just show you that up close. So like instructions say, if you leave this down for like 30 minutes to an hour, it'll allow it to get its full form and keep things really flat and tight. But so far it looks really nice, And I can see that even just being out of the box for like under 30 minutes, it has a really good fitment right here. So if you look at that, tucked nicely in right over here, no issues, all around coverage. Michelin logo right there from Michelin Rubber. Even does not have any issues with coming overlapping this. And if you need to access your tire, just flip that up. So I'm looking back here in the car at how this looks, and we have really nice fitment all across. The floor mats have held up and molded in here properly. No issue with the pedals. Easy installation, but really a great outcome, a great way to protect your vehicle and take care of the area that you get dirty the most, which is where you step on when you jump in every time, ensuring that there's not going to be issues if you have to resell or just maintain your overall vehicle's look. Your cargo area is protected, and it's just going to keep things in the groove. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I like to do follow-up videos and show how these products work over time. So if you like to check out how these perform in the next 6 months, make sure you subscribe and check me out on Instagram. Greatest of all Texas. Take care, and I'm out.